Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today new video is the introduction to power electronics. By the end of this video, you are able to know what is power electronics, what is the concept of power electronics, what is a converter and various types of converters with examples you will able to know. Comparison between diode and thyristor. What is the difference between triac and thyristor? Differences between AC voltage controller and AC cycloconverter. The power electronics belongs to partly to power engineers and partly to electronics engineers. Power engineering is mainly concerned with generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization of electrical energy at high efficiency. Electronics engineering, on the other hand, is guided by distortionless production, transmission, and reception of data and signals of very low power level of the order of a few watts or milliwatts without much consideration to the efficiency. In addition, apparatus associated with this power engineering is based mainly on electromagnetic principles, whereas that in electronics engineering is based upon physical phenomena in vacuum, gases, vapors, or semiconductors. Power electronics is the subject that concerns the application of electronic principles into situations that are rated at power level rather than signal level. It may also be defined as a subject that deals with apparatus and equipment working on the principle of electronics but rated at power level rather than signal level. That means it can be specified in terms of power level. For example, semiconductor power switches such as thyristors, GTOs, etc., work on the principle of electronics, movement of holes and electrons, but have the name power attached to them only as a description of their power rating. Similarly, diodes, mercury arc rectifiers, and thyratrons or gas filled triodes, high power level devices from a part of subject of power electronics. What are the applications of power electronics? The modern power electronics began with the invention of silicon controlled rectifier, that is SCR, by Bell Laboratories in 1956. It is a prototype was introduced by GEC in 1957 and subsequently GEC introduced SCR based system commercially in 1958. Since then there have been emergence of many power semiconductor drives. Power electronic systems today incorporate power semiconductor devices as well as microelectronic integrated circuits. The term converter system in general is used to denote a static device that converts AC to DC, DC to AC, or DC to DC, or AC to AC. Conventional power controllers based on thyratrons, mercury arc rectifiers, magnetic amplifiers, rheostatic controllers, etc. Some applications of power electronics, if you see, one is aerospace, space shuttle power supplies, satellite power supplies, air-gapped power systems. Coming to commercial applications of power electronics, advertising, heating, air conditioning, central refrigeration, computer and office equipment, uninterrupted power supplies, elevators, light dimmers and flashers. The industrial applications of power electronics are arc and industrial furnaces, blowers and fans, pumps and compressors, industrial lasers, transformer tap changers, rolling mills, textile mills, excavators, cement mills, welding, etc. Some of the residential applications of power electronics are air conditioning, cooking, lighting, space heating, refrigerators, electric doors, dryers, fans, personal computers, other entertainment equipment, vacuum cleaners, washing and sewing machines, light dimmers, food mixers, or the etc. Coming to telecommunication applications of power electronics, battery chargers, power supplies, DC and UPS, we are using telecommunication. In transportation system, battery chargers, traction control of electric vehicles, electric locomotives, streetcars, trolley buses, subways, automotive electronics. These are the examples for applications of power electronics. In utility system, high voltage DC transmission, excitation system, VR compensation, static circuit breakers, fans and boilers, supplementary energy systems, solar and wind. These are the utility system advantages applications of power electronics. Power diodes are available up to 3000 volts, 3500 amps, 1 kHz. Thyristors have rating up to 600 volts, 3500 amps, 1 kHz. BJTs are used up to power ratings of 1200 volts, 400 amps, 10 kHz. Power MOSFETs, IGBTs, so many power electronic semiconductor devices nowadays we are using. Based on turn on and turn off characteristics or gate signal requirements, the power semiconductor devices can be classified as one is diodes. These are uncontrolled rectifying devices. The diodes on and off states are controlled by power supply. Thyristors. These have controlled turned on by gate signal. After thyristors are turned on, they remain latched in on state due to internal regenerative action. Switches. These devices are turned on, turned off by the application of control signals. The devices which behave as controllable switches are BJT, MOSFET, GTO, SITH, IGBT, MCT. SCR, GTO, SITH and MCT require pulse gate signal for turning them on. Once these devices are on, gate pulses is removed, but BJT, MOSFET, IGBT and SIT require continuous signals for keeping them in turn on state. The one of the difference between BJT, MOSFET and SCR is SCR once turned on we can remove the gate pulse, whereas BJT, MOSFET, IGBT these are we have to provide gate signal after the turn on state also. In power electronics, what are the various types of power electronic converters? Those will be discussed now. A power electronic system consists of one or more power electronic converters. A power electronics converter is made of some power semiconductor devices controlled by integrated circuits. The switching characteristics of power semiconductor devices permit a power electronic converter to shape the input power of one of the output power of some other form. Static power converters perform these functions of power conversion very efficiently. Broadly, the power electronic converters are classified into 6 types. One is rectifier, that is diode rectifier. A diode rectifier circuit converts AC input voltage into fixed DC voltage. That we have to remember. What is the diode purpose is the rectifier purpose a fixed AC input voltage into fixed DC voltage. Diode rectifiers find the wide use of electric traction, battery charging, electroplating, electrochemical processing, power supplies, welding and UPSs. UPS means uninterrupted power supplies. AC to DC converter. The second converter is AC to DC converter, phase controlled rectifier. These converter constant AC voltage to variable DC output voltage. In diode converter, input voltage to fixed AC voltage. If you use AC to DC converters, phase control rectifiers, the voltage can be varied in DC output voltage. The phase control rectifiers are using in DC drives, metallurgical and chemical industries, excitation systems for synchronous machines, etc. Next, another converter, DC to DC converter. They are also called as DC choppers. A DC chopper converts fixed DC input voltage into a variable or controllable DC output voltage. The chopper circuits require forced or load commutation. What is DC to DC converter is also called as DC chopper. For lower power circuits in choppers, they are using thyristors or replaced by power transistors. Classification of chopper circuits is depends on the type of commutation and on the direction of power flow. Choppers find wide application in DC drives, subway cars, trolley trucks, battery driven vehicles, etc. Another important converter which is DC to AC converters. Those are called as inverters. An inverter converts fixed DC voltage to a variable AC voltage. That is the important function of inverter. A inverter converts fixed DC voltage to variable AC voltage. The output may be variable voltage and variable frequency. These converters uses line and load or forced commutation for turning of these thyristors. What is forced commutation? All this will be studied in power electronics subject. Inverters find wide uses in induction motor and synchronous motor drives, induction heating, UPS, HVDC transmission, etc. At present, conventional thyristors are also being replaced by GTOs. Another converter is AC to AC converter. These convert fixed AC input voltage into variable AC output voltage. What is the purpose of AC to AC converter is convert fixed AC to variable AC output. There are two types of AC to AC converters. One is AC voltage controller, another one is cycloconverters. AC voltage controllers or AC voltage regulators, they are also called as. These converts circuits fixed AC voltage directly into variable AC voltage at the same frequency. The frequency will be constant for AC voltage controllers. The output voltage frequency will be constant. AC voltage controllers employs two thyristors in parallel. What is the AC voltage controller? All this will be studied in power electronics. Are widely used in lightning control, speed control of fans, pumps, etc. The another AC to AC converter is cycloconverter. These circuits converts input power at one frequency to output power at different frequencies through on-stage conversion. In these converters also, line commutation is more common in these converters than forced commutation or load commutation. By the end of this video, you have to know what is power electronics, what is the concept of power electronics, and by the end of this video you are able to know what is converter, what are the various types of converters with examples of applications. What are the advantages of power converters, power electronics? By the end of this video you are able to know what is power electronics, what is the concept of power electronics, and what is a converter, what are the examples of converters and various applications. The various types of power electronics converters you will able to know by the end of this video. What is the comparison diode and thyristor? Diode is uncontrolled device, whereas thyristor is controlled device. All this will be learned by the end of this video. The difference between triac and a thyristor, what is the difference, you will able to know after this video. What is the difference between AC voltage controller and cycloconverter? What are the differences in gate requirements of thyristors and transistors?